Discover a special destination in Belize's tropical rainforest. This is the land of the jaguars, rich with wildlife and birds. Bocawina Rainforest Resort, surrounded by the Maya Mountains and nestled in a pristine valley in the heart of the Mayflower Bocawina National Park, is a perfect base to experience this unspoiled tropical wilderness. A place for adventure and action where you can fly through the jungle canopy or rappel down a spectacular waterfall to reach hidden pools below. Bocawina is a place to be pampered with exceptional service and comfort. It's a place to be curious, to be amazed with the extraordinary diversity of the rainforest. To watch jaguars and their prey with remote wild camps and visit Mayan villages to learn traditional secrets of chocolate making. Tropical evenings at Bocawina are a wonderful time to relax, enjoy interesting company, and indulge in delicious food at the award-winning Wild Fig Restaurant. Come visit Bocawina Rainforest Resort in Belize.